Okay, hi. Here we go then. Second in the series. This is rule number 2. Following on from doing what your teacher tells you, the first thing this teacher is ever going to tell you is do your writing homework. Writing homework, writing in your own time, your own space, is the most important learning activity that you can do. It is hugely beneficial for you. And this is why. When you write at home alone, you can refer to your dictionary, you can refer to your previous corrected writings. If you've got a teacher who's not correcting your writings, get another teacher. Because ever since I began teaching, I have always said to all my students, if you do the writing and give it to me, I will correct it for you. I don't care how much writing my students do, they get it corrected because that's really important. And when I correct it, I highlight the different high value words and phrases so that you can then refer to those corrected writings when you do your writing in your own time, and you can take bits from that and put it in there, take it out, put it in. Because a lot of writing is repeated, it's repetition. So you can use words and phrases over and over again. Yeah? So really important that you do that. You can use your past writing. You can use your handouts. I give my students loads of really useful handouts about how to write and what kind of things to write. Really important guides. And when you're writing on your own, you can take all of that stuff out. You can have it on the desk. You can have it next to you. And you can refer to it. And you can take a long time. I have a student who does some writing and he hands it to me. He's taken 20 minutes. What's the point? He's missed the point of doing the homework. The reason for doing the homework is not to do it quickly and hand it back to me. The reason you do your writing homework is so that you have the time to look and take and extract different things from different places and insert it into your writing. This is when you learn. You are guided in your lessons, but you learn when you then use all this information yourself. And then there's one last thing you have to do before you hand that writing in to whoever you're going to hand it into for correction, and that's your writing checklist. And the next video is going to tell you all about the most important tool you will ever use in your English learning journey, the writing checklist. So have a good time. Get writing. Do it now.